Hey everyone, it's your girl Tiffany. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys this new wig that I got from Wiggins Hair. This is their 13 by 4 26-inch deep wave wig. As you can see, it also comes with the HD lace, and I'll be showing you guys from start to finish how I laid the wig. If you like today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The density of the wig is 250, so the wig is pretty full. As far as their HD lace, this is what it looks like. I did bleach the knots one time, and here I'm just about to lay the wig with the Got to Be Free spray. Here you can see how great the lace looks, so it does look very natural. But if you still like to pluck it some more, you can definitely do that. Also, I don't really like my wigs with like too much baby hair, probably because like I'm not like the best at it, and I'd just be looking too crazy if I like overdid it. So I always just keep it very simple. At first I was gonna do a half up, half down, but here I just wanted to show you guys what the hair would look like all the way pulled back, but I did decide to go with a middle part. So many different ways for you to style the wig. This is what the hair looks like after it being washed and the hair being combed out. You can style the hair however you would like, but this is how it ended up turning out. I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the curly look. I really like it. The hair is extremely long. This is what 26 inches look like, and I really love the curl pattern. The hair is soft as well. As always, Berry Squad, I really appreciate y'all support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.